Hedge, everyone. Welcome to a fascinating journey aboard the Swedish Inlandsbanan. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Sweden, uncovering intriguing facts about this iconic railway. Historical background. The Inlandsbanan, or Inland Line, has been an integral part of Swedish transportation since its inception in the early 20th century. Originally constructed to connect remote inland communities with urban centers, this historic railway has played a crucial role in shaping the development and identity of Sweden's interior regions. Scenic beauty. As we embark on our journey along the Inlandsbanan, prepare to be enchanted by the breathtaking beauty of Sweden's wilderness. From dense forests and shimmering lakes to rugged mountains and pristine rivers, the landscapes along the railway are a nature lover's paradise. Remote destinations. One of the unique aspects of the Inlandsbanan is its access to remote and off-the-beaten-path destinations that are otherwise difficult to reach. Passengers have the opportunity to explore hidden gems like Jokkmokk, Vilhelmina, and Östersund, each offering its own distinct charm and cultural heritage. Midnight sun and polar nights. Due to its location within the Arctic Circle, the Inlandsbanan experiences both the midnight sun in summer and polar nights in winter. Passengers aboard the train have the extraordinary opportunity to witness the sun dipping below the horizon during the summer months and the magical glow of the Aurora Borealis in winter. Wildlife encounters. Keep your eyes peeled for wildlife sightings as we traverse through the Swedish wilderness. From reindeer grazing in meadows to elk roaming through forests, the Inlandsbanan offers passengers a chance to connect with Sweden's rich biodiversity. Cultural heritage. The Inlandsbanan is not just a mode of transportation. It's a journey through Sweden's cultural heritage. Along the route, passengers can immerse themselves in Sami traditions, explore Viking history, and discover the vibrant arts and crafts of local communities. Railway innovations. Despite its rustic charm, the Inlandsbanan is equipped with modern amenities and technology to ensure a comfortable journey for passengers. From onboard Wi-Fi and digital displays to eco-friendly initiatives, the railway is committed to sustainability and innovation. Literary inspirations. The Inlandsbanan has inspired countless writers and artists, who have captured its beauty and allure through literature, poetry, and paintings. From tales of adventure to reflections on nature, the railway continues to spark the imagination of creatives around the world. Seasonal attractions. No matter the season, the Inlandsbanan offers a host of seasonal attractions and activities for passengers to enjoy. From berry picking and hiking in summer to skiing and snowshoeing in winter, there's always something new to discover along the railway. Sustainability initiatives. The Inlandsbanan is committed to sustainable tourism practices that minimize its environmental impact. Through initiatives like waste reduction, energy efficiency, and community partnerships, the railway strives to preserve the pristine beauty of Sweden's wilderness for future generations. Railway revival. The Inlandsbanan has experienced a revival in recent years, attracting a new generation of travelers eager to explore Sweden's remote regions. This resurgence has breathed new life into the railway, with increased passenger numbers and expanded services that cater to the growing demand for authentic travel experiences. Railway folklore. Like any historic railway, the Inlandsbanan is steeped in folklore and legends passed down through generations. From tales of mythical creatures inhabiting the forests to stories of ghostly encounters along the tracks, the railway's folklore adds an element of mystery and intrigue to the journey. Railway culinary traditions. On board the Inlandsbanan, passengers can indulge in a culinary journey through Sweden's regional specialties. From traditional Sami dishes like reindeer stew to Swedish delicacies like pickled herring and lingonberry jam, the railway's dining experience offers a taste of authentic Swedish cuisine. Railway musical performances. Music fills the air aboard the Inlandsbanan, with live performances by local musicians and artists who serenade passengers with traditional folk songs and melodies inspired by the Swedish countryside. These musical interludes add to the enchantment of the journey, creating a sense of camaraderie and joy among travelers. Railway language lessons. Passengers aboard the Inlandsbanan have the opportunity to learn basic Swedish phrases and language skills from onboard language instructors. Whether it's mastering common greetings or practicing pronunciation, these language lessons offer a fun and immersive way to connect with Sweden's culture and people. Railway wellness retreats. For passengers seeking relaxation and rejuvenation, the Inlandsbanan offers wellness retreats that focus on holistic health and well-being. From yoga sessions and meditation workshops to spa treatments and nature walks, these retreats provide a tranquil escape from the stresses of everyday life. Railway cultural workshops. Immerse yourself in Swedish culture with onboard cultural workshops that invite passengers to participate in traditional crafts and activities. From Sami handicrafts and Viking storytelling to folk dancing and pottery making, these hands-on experiences offer a deeper understanding of Sweden's cultural heritage. Railway conservation efforts. The Inlandsbanan is committed to environmental conservation and sustainable tourism practices that protect Sweden's pristine wilderness. Through habitat restoration projects, wildlife monitoring programs, and community engagement initiatives, the railway works tirelessly to preserve the natural beauty of its surroundings. Railway festivals and events. Throughout the year, the Inlandsbanan hosts a variety of festivals and events that celebrate Sweden's cultural diversity and heritage. From midsummer celebrations and Sami festivals to winter markets and Aurora Borealis viewing parties, there's always something exciting happening along the railway. Railway volunteer programs. Passengers can give back to the community and make a difference through onboard volunteer programs that support local conservation and community development projects. Whether it's planting trees, cleaning up litter, or helping with wildlife research, these volunteer opportunities allow passengers to leave a positive impact on the places they visit. Railway art installations. Art enthusiasts will be delighted to discover the Inlandsbanan's unique collection of railway-themed art installations scattered along its route. From sculptures and murals to interactive exhibits, these artistic creations add a creative touch to the railway journey, inspiring passengers with their beauty and innovation. Railway sustainable accommodations. For travelers looking to extend their Inlandsbanan adventure, eco-friendly accommodations are available along the railway route. From sustainable lodges and eco-lodgings to cozy cabins and wilderness campsites, these accommodations offer a comfortable and environmentally responsible way to experience Sweden's wilderness. Railway astronomical observatories. Stargazers aboard the Inlandsbanan can enjoy unparalleled views of the night sky from onboard astronomical observatories. Equipped with telescopes and guided by experts, passengers can marvel at the wonders of the cosmos, including distant galaxies, sparkling stars, and shimmering meteor showers. Railway wildlife rehabilitation centers. The Inlandsbanan partners with wildlife rehabilitation centers along its route to support the care and rehabilitation of injured or orphaned animals. Passengers can learn about conservation efforts and even participate in wildlife rescue and release programs, contributing to the protection of Sweden's native fauna. Railway cycling tours. Cycling enthusiasts can combine their love of outdoor adventure with railway travel by embarking on cycling tours along the Inlandsbanan route. With designated cycling paths and rental services available at select stations, passengers can pedal through Sweden's stunning landscapes at their own pace. Railway photography workshops. Capture the beauty of Sweden's wilderness with onboard photography workshops led by professional photographers. From tips on composition and lighting to hands-on practice sessions, these workshops provide passengers with the skills and inspiration to capture stunning images of their railway journey. Railway birdwatching excursions. Birdwatchers will be in their element aboard the Inlandsbanan, with birdwatching excursions that offer opportunities to spot a diverse array of avian species. From majestic eagles and owls to colorful songbirds and waterfowl, Sweden's wilderness is a paradise for birdwatching enthusiasts. Railway historical reenactments. History comes alive aboard the Inlandsbanan with interactive historical reenactments that transport passengers back in time. From Viking raids and medieval festivals to pioneer settlements and gold rush adventures, these reenactments offer a glimpse into Sweden's fascinating past. Railway green initiatives. In its commitment to environmental stewardship, the Inlandsbanan implements green initiatives such as waste reduction, recycling programs, and renewable energy solutions. These eco-friendly practices ensure that the railway minimizes its carbon footprint and preserves Sweden's natural beauty for future generations. Railway geocaching adventures. Geocaching enthusiasts can enjoy thrilling treasure hunts along the Inlandsbanan route, searching for hidden caches nestled in Sweden's wilderness. With GPS coordinates and clues provided on board, passengers can embark on exciting adventures to uncover hidden gems and treasures. Railway traditional Sami crafts. Passengers can learn about traditional Sami crafts and culture through onboard workshops and demonstrations. From reindeer leatherwork and duoji handicrafts to yoik singing and storytelling, these cultural experiences offer a deeper appreciation for the Sami way of life. Railway historical documentaries. History buffs can delve into the rich heritage of the Inlandsbanan through onboard historical documentaries and presentations. Featuring archival footage, interviews with historians, and first-hand accounts from passengers, these documentaries offer a fascinating glimpse into the railway's past. Railway forest bathing retreats. Escape the hustle and bustle of modern life with forest bathing retreats offered along the Inlandsbanan route. Guided by experienced nature therapists, passengers can immerse themselves in the tranquility of Sweden's forests, practicing mindfulness and finding inner peace amidst the natural surroundings. Railway traditional folklore performances. Experience the magic of Swedish folklore through traditional performances and storytelling sessions on board the Inlandsbanan. From mythical tales of trolls and giants to legends of heroic Vikings and mystical creatures, these performances preserve Sweden's rich oral traditions for future generations. Railway adventure tourism packages. For thrill seekers and adventure enthusiasts, the Inlandsbanan offers specialized tourism packages that cater to adrenaline-pumping activities such as whitewater rafting, dog sledding, and wilderness safaris. These action-packed adventures allow passengers to experience Sweden's rugged landscapes in an exciting and memorable way. Railway sustainable farm-to-table dining. Experience the taste of Sweden's countryside with sustainable farm-to-table dining options on board the Inlandsbanan. Featuring locally sourced ingredients and seasonal specialties, these culinary delights showcase the flavors of Sweden's rural landscapes while supporting local farmers and producers. Railway ice fishing excursions. During the winter months, passengers can enjoy ice fishing excursions on frozen lakes and rivers along the Inlandsbanan route. With expert guides and all the necessary equipment provided on board, passengers can try their hand at this traditional Swedish pastime while surrounded by stunning winter scenery. Railway environmental education programs. The Inlandsbanan offers environmental education programs for schools and youth groups, providing hands-on learning experiences that promote conservation and sustainability. Through interactive workshops, nature walks, and wildlife observation sessions, students can gain a deeper understanding of Sweden's ecosystems and the importance of protecting them. Railway indigenous cultural experiences. Passengers can immerse themselves in the rich cultural heritage of Sweden's indigenous Sami people through onboard cultural experiences and events. From reindeer herding demonstrations and traditional reindeer sled rides to Sami handicraft workshops and cultural performances, these experiences offer a unique opportunity to learn about and celebrate Sami culture. As our journey aboard the Inlandsbanan comes to a close, we reflect on the unforgettable memories and experiences shared along the way. From the stunning landscapes to the rich cultural heritage, this historic railway truly offers a glimpse into the soul of Sweden. If you enjoyed this virtual ride aboard the Inlandsbanan, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more railway adventures. Tack så mycket for joining us. Until next time, hej da.